So the most important documents for me in terms of a bankruptcy filing, whether it's a 7 or 13, is 6 months proof of income from every source of income for the last 6 months and 2 years of tax returns. So those are the most important documents right off the bat. I will ask you, I will hound you for those documents until we get them, because that really is the crux of whether you qualify to file, which chapter you qualify to file, and how do we do the paperwork. Everything else, there are other documents that we'll need, but we will work with you on those. Those are the most important ones. Once you sign a retainer agreement and bring us the documents, then we fill out the bankruptcy petition using the program that we have. We verify every information with you, gather all your assets, all your debts, we pull your credit, we make sure that your income is accurate, your expenses are accurate, and that everything lines up and you qualify for this type of bankruptcy, whether it's a 7 or a 13, and then we file it. Once we file it, there's about 30 to 45 days later, you're going to go to a hearing. It's called the meeting of creditors, or we call it 341 hearing because it's the bankruptcy code section 341. And essentially it's a 5 to 10 minute hearing with a bankruptcy trustee who's appointed by the court to oversee the accuracy of your case. They're going to ask you whether your income's accurate, whether your assets are listed, whether your debts are listed. They're there to verify the information and to make sure that you qualify for this bankruptcy. That actual meeting is 5 to 10 minutes long. You go with an attorney. After that meeting, if you're in a Chapter 7 case, we wait for the court to stamp your bankruptcy and you'll be done with it. There's a credit counseling course you have to take before you file the bankruptcy and one after you file the bankruptcy, regardless of the chapter. In a Chapter 13, we're trying to get a payment plan confirmed by the court. To do that, we have to make sure that the amounts are accurate and that the judge and the trustee look at your income and your expenses and your debts and approve your plan. And once that happens, then you make your monthly payments for either 3 or 5 years, depending on the plan that we are proposing. And once you are done with the 3 or 5 years, then the bankruptcy court discharges your case or closes it. Essentially, your debts are completed, your payments are completed.